Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group here with my review of Zero product creation funnels, which launched on the 23rd of August at 11 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review video, I'm going to go through this great little product by Diego Duarte. What it essentially is, it is a product with resale rights, that's the first thing to say, that enables you to create great little mini funnels. So what these funnels consist of is an offer which is essentially an information video. So it could be, for example, a video telling people how to succeed with cryptocurrency, and then a mini squeeze page that asks people to subscribe to get details of a case study on cryptocurrency. And then obviously the funnel is then created with a thank you page after that then leads them to an affiliate offer or whatever other type of offer you want to send them to. So it's little mini funnels that you're creating to assist you with list building and at the same time send people to hot affiliate offers. Now, as I said, that's good in itself. And the other good thing is that you've actually got reseller rights. So you can sell this product on to other people and keep 100% of the profits. So I actually think this is well worth having a look at. I hope you'll agree, and if so, please watch this review video. I'll also be going through the custom bonuses, 5 custom bonuses that I've put together if you pick up Zero product creation funnels from the link immediately underneath this review video. There are 5 of them, and to get them, all you need to do is click on any of these green buttons here at any time before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they will expire. Now, as usual, folks, that's something I don't want to happen because they are custom bonuses, which means they're exclusive to me. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of Zero product creation funnels, because of course you can always come back to this page, back to this YouTube video when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are a little bit special. So what is this product all about? Well, it's a way to complete mini funnels without creating a single product, and it comes with resale rights so that you can sell this product as your own and keep 100% of the profits. This is the sales video, which is also on my bonus page, so I do recommend that you watch that. And so let's see this example. As I was saying, I actually mentioned crypto, so this is what's actually been used in this example here. So first of all, the product will find a video for you to use as a lead magnet. So here we're going to be giving away a tutorial that tells people how to succeed with cryptocurrency. Now, it could be anything. It could be how to get started in affiliate marketing. It could be how to make money online. It could be how to create a PLR PDF product. It could be anything you can think of, how to make a YouTube video, whatever it is that you want to use as a lead magnet. Now, that video will then be added to a thank you page, and then we're going to create a quick cover image and a lead magnet page with the software. So this will be an example of the sort of splash page that we can create. So free, learn how to make money with Bitcoin in no time. That will be our splash page. And then we create the mini funnel. So we get like a Warrior Plus buy button, so it looks as if this product was previously a product that was being charged for, but with a buy button on it from Warrior Plus, today you can get free access. That massively increases your opt-ins because people think, oh, look at this, yeah, this was a product that was being charged for, and today I can get it free. Look, it's got a Warrior Plus button. That's really cool. And so you will find that your opt-in rates by using this simple trick, it is a trick really, will actually get you loads more opt-ins. And then after that, obviously you send them to an affiliate offer. So there we go. So please check your email in 5 minutes. Meanwhile, don't miss this awesome offer. I'm sure we've all seen squeeze pages like this before, and then that will send them straight away to any affiliate offer on ClickBank, JV2 or Warrior Plus that you want to direct them to. So we'll come back and look at the rest of that. We'll also have a look at the sales funnel about the upsells, but first, excuse Kane the cat in the background there, let's have a look at my custom bonuses. So when you come through to this page here, you will see this video. What Zero Product Creation Funnels all about? Well, this is what we were just going through, but basically you can build your list and make money at the same time, because obviously you're sending people to affiliate offers. You can get into any niche with zero knowledge on the subject. All you've got to do is find a video and create a squeeze page to link to it. So, you know, if you were in, say, wanted to enter the pet niche, you could find like how to groom your dog, and then you could make a squeeze page saying, you know, find 7 great ways to, you know, groom your dog correctly, and then set this up, get free access, and send them to the video about dog grooming. It's dead easy to set up. You can build mini funnels to drive traffic to client sites. You can sell the mini funnel creation service on Fiverr, because of course you've got resale rights to this as well. And do you sell products with resale rights, PLR? Sell them with a mini funnel that you can build with the software. Everything without creating a single product. So as I said, you're using Creative Commons videos that are already out there. These are videos that anyone can link to, and I think this is a pretty cool system. So what there's the sales video again on my bonus page, so you watch that. Let's get a bit of a flavor for it, see if it will start up. All right, so do watch that. Okay, so what am I going to include here? Well, firstly, this is a great creator of mini funnels. If you want to create full-blown funnels and have something really like with all the functionality of ClickFunnels, well, that is going to set you back a lot of money. I currently pay $97 a month for ClickFunnels for the cheapest version of it available. The one that most super affiliates have actually cost them $297 a month. Can't quite stretch to that one at the moment. I will probably eventually end up getting it, but even 97 is beyond the budget of most people. So this is actually a great alternative to ClickFunnels that you can get dead cheap, and Jono Armstrong, super affiliate, will tell you about this hack. Secondly, product here from Brendan Mace and Justin Spencer. I don't give away that often. It's called 5-Figure Freedom. It'll show you a step-by-step method for building a 5-figure monthly income in less than 1 hour a day. Lindgren's lazy method. He is actually a Scandinavian marketer. And he produced this product that was like the breakthrough method for him, really, that he discovered. And using his lazy method, he went from struggling to now earning $10,000 a month online. Next, I'm going to include Lazy Profit Explosion. This is a proven and tested 10K a month system that explodes profits in just 24 hours. And finally, something I often get asked is, can I make money just from my smartphone if I don't currently have a laptop or a PC because I can't afford one, or for whatever other logistical reason? Yes, you absolutely can, and this will show you how you can do that with this product here. So that is the front end, folks, or rather they are my custom bonuses. Let's just have a look. There isn't a lot more to say about this product really, folks, because I've showed you all the key points, and as I said, you can actually sell this product directly and keep 100% of the profits, or you can use it as an upsell product in a bigger funnel. You can use it as a downsell. You could use it as a bonus for your offers. You could use it as a lead magnet in and of itself to give this away, which would be a really cool thing to give away, you know, a mini funnel creator like this. But better still, you know, use it yourself, because these little mini funnels with buy buttons attached, Warrior Plus buy buttons, are very, very effective. So I'm going to recommend you pick it up, and you can get it at the moment for just $12.10. Now, there is a personal license available for $9 if you don't want the resale rights and you just want to use the funnels yourself. You can actually get it for $9. But to have the resale rights, so, you know, just selling one copy of this, you would get your money back. I think you're mad to pass this up. So for $12.10, you can get the full reseller rights, which is just $3.10 more. So I'd recommend that you go for that. Okay, so the upsells. We've looked at the front end. There's a pro version. I don't have full details of it, I don't think. No, it just says pro version. that also has resale rights. That will cost you somewhere between 12 and 16, depending on what stage of the dime sale we're at. So you have to have a look at that, folks, and make a decision. It's cheap for an upsell. Second upsell is 2 extra apps with resale rights. That is going to be $27, folks. And then you also have the option to have white label copies. So that's a private label copy of the software apps for between 24 and 84. I think there are various options. And there's also the source code, which will be, if you order the white label copy, you'll get an option to have order a copy of the source code. So again, have a look at those upsells. So that's pretty much it, folks. I think this is a great little product. Sorry, there I am at the bottom there. These little funnels are going to be very effective for you, and the fact that you've got reseller rights as well for such a low front end price, I think makes this a no-brainer. Normally you would expect the front end, and then if you wanted 100% resale rights, this would be the normal price you'd pay for that, $97. I know on my very first product, which is launching next month, I'm going to be charging $97 for 100% reseller rights, and nearly all the top marketers do. So this is a really good deal. So to get your copy, just click on these green buttons here, click over to the main page. If you really don't want the resale rights and you just want the funnels, then click there. Otherwise, click here for the reseller license, which I'd strongly recommend. Then you will come back to your Warrior Plus receipt area. Click on the green button to access your Xero funnels, and then click on the blue button to access my custom bonuses. And that, folks, is all there is to that. All that remains for me, as usual, to say to you is thanks very much for listening and watching this review video. This has been Dawood Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Xero product creation funnels.